Hi class, it's Mrs. Miller. If you are watching this, you have already opened up our English 9 module and found the February 3rd DLD module. You've clicked on the welcome page, which just simply welcomes you to this DLD module. Then you've clicked on, scrolled down, you've seen my what you're going to do, you've seen my availability, and you've seen this information about what to do if you need help. Then you've clicked on the next button and you have taken this quiz and you are just clicking yes that you are here and that you are ready to go, and so you get your attendance taken for today. Then you are Hi English 9 students, Mrs. Miller here to walk you through our module for February 3rd DLD. If you've gotten this far, you've already clicked on modules, you've already found our February 3rd DLD module, you've clicked on the welcome page, and it has introduced you to what we're doing, the 4 things. You're submitting attendance, you're watching a video, you're completing an assignment, you're seeing the module completion page. It's giving you my contact and availability information, and it's also giving you a phone number of how you can get some help if you need it. The next page in the module is your attendance check. So you are simply going to open that up. It's a quiz and you are going to respond. I opened the February 3rd DLD module for the course and understand I need to complete the coursework that follows. That would be true. So you'll click on true, you'll submit the quiz, and away you go. Okay, and then you're ready to click next and you'll see some instructions. So you're already watching my video. The first thing you're going to do after you have the instructions is go to Sedlier Connect, and you will see that we are in Unit 9. You're going to have an assignment. It will be up here in blue. You'll just click on it. It should take you down here to choosing the right word for Unit 9. That's the unit we're in right now. If you have any problems with that, you know how to just choose an activity, complete it, snip the final screen and submit it, but I don't think you'll have any trouble. You'll just go ahead and go to the assignment here. You will be doing this select a word for each of the sentences. So there are 25 of those. If I were you, because you're just learning them, I'd split the screen. I'd have my words over on one side and my assignment over on the other, just as we do in class. So once you finish that, you don't need to submit anything because I'll get the results here in my reports section. So when you're finished with that, you're going to watch a video, and the video is about Shakespeare, William Shakespeare. We're getting ready to start Romeo and Juliet, so I want you to have some background knowledge. So you'll watch that. You can get to that either by clicking this button here, or you can click on the embedded video below. There is a notes page that you'll click on right here, and I'll show you that. So the notes page looks like this. You'll fill in your name, your block, etc., the date. And then I have simply typed in the language that comes from the video, and you will be filling in the blanks here, typing those in a different color. Okay, so for the first one, you would have William Shakespeare was born in Stratford upon Avon. You can change those to your favorite color so that it makes it a little more dramatic and jumps out at you. You will listen and watch the video and fill in the notes pages. You'll save it, and then that's what you will be uploading on the next page. And the next page is where you will submit those notes that you've just taken, and there it goes. So this is the assignment. You are submitting, you are uploading your notes, so you should be able to do that and be all set to go. And that's all you have to do for your DLD. The next button takes you to your congratulations. You've completed this module page for DLD February 3rd. Thanks so much, and remember you can contact me if you're having any difficulty.